Hello, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 10. In this video I'll show you how to access and manage File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to App Drawer and search for Files app. Enter it, and thanks to Files app you've got access to your downloads, images, videos, audio, documents and other, apps, collections, and internal storage. Also, you can use nearby share function to quickly send and receive files, and clean function to clean junk files from your smartphone. Then you can go to recycled bin. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.